There's no added juice, no AI. All right, today we're gonna be smoking some turkey using this blowtorch. Look at that gun. We're gonna be using the Weber grill, and we're gonna be using a snake method to smoke the turkey. All right, to set up your snake method, basically you're gonna build out 3 rows, then put some hickory wood on top, and that's all you're gonna really need. You light it on one side. So let me show you this Kettle fire blowtorch. This thing is pretty badass. It's like a giant gun, almost looks like an AK. Pretty sick. It has a control right here for the propane, and then to install the cylinder, it's pretty easy. It has an LED light that's rechargeable with USB-C. It has a little trigger there, and all you do is screw it in the cylinder. All right, lighting this fire, we're just gonna light it on one side and let those charcoal coals get really hot in that wood. It's gonna start our snake. So to marinate this turkey, I already chopped it up into pieces. I'm using some oil and this seasoning, which I really like, from Spanglish. This is a Mexican barbecue flavor. So we're gonna just place it on our grill here, our Weber, and we're gonna go and place all the pieces and season it. You wanna keep the vent open while you're smoking. I already set up the snake method using hickory wood. It should be running at about 250 to 275. All right, and to keep that turkey moist, you want to put some apple juice in a pan and throw that inside. Go ahead and cover your Weber. Now that we have this thing smoked for about 2 hours, we're gonna do the hot and fast at the end. So we're gonna use our blowtorch again, put all the coals to one side and light this baby up. We'll do a reverse sear now on all the turkey. God damn, would you look at that turkey breast. Woo-hoo. So this is chilling right at the correct temperature, about 160 to 165. Let it rest, and then we'll slice into it. Bro, don't go anywhere yet. We're gonna try this turkey out. All right, my friends, we have our turkey breasts smoked slow and low at about 200 for about 2 hours. I'm kind of salivating because this shit is juicy as hell, man. Look at this. Woo! There's no added juice, no AI. This is the real deal. Holyfield, smoked and then back seared, reverse seared at the end, all on the Weber, hickory wood. Take a look at this. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. I was craving turkey today. Phenomenal. Underrated in barbecue, definitely. If you can taste this right now, whew, you'd be a lucky person. Subscribe and like to this video. I just showed you how to make the best smoked turkey. Very simple.